Hi, I am SV Nityashree. I am studying in 11th standard in PV Metric Higher Secondary School. Here I am going to present video session Innovation in India. Innovation in India, R&D versus innovation semantics. Innovation is defined as a process by which varying degrees of measurable value enhancement is planned and achieved in any commercial activity. This process may be breakthrough or incremental, and it may occur systematically in a company or sporadically. It serves to improve market share, competitiveness and quality while reducing cost. Additionally, on innovation. Innovation cannot often be bought or implanted. It will happen on its own once the right environment is proved within in an organization or institution for research, learning and exploring ways to improve value provisions along the entire system. The Indian scenario. They are some of the strategy bar diagram. Major challenges: R&D innovation barriers in India. Budget allocation stuck at 9% for R&D. Significant drop in India R&D budget allocation over the year. While private sector expense in R&D is increasing, the Indian government is not keeping pace with global R&D spends. We have repeated the benefits of major S&T initiatives taken in the past, but in the future, do we have projects now that we can take benefits of? The science and technology portfolio not given due importance. Often as a portfolio lack good ministers at helm and underplayed within the government, not governed by minister with the right caliber. Archa and outdated education system. The educational environment in India is one that is driven by instruction system and formulas, as opposed to one facilitated by curiosity, exploration and understanding. Political interference in education content. In some cases, there is often a lack of depth in the learning and the spirit of curiosity is not sparked. The brain drain scenario. The migration of highly skilled and educated youth from the better institution in the country abroad in search for better pastures. Lack of a R&D friendly ecosystem. The nation has a very few institutions and organizations that can create a healthy and internationally comparable environment for growth in research industry. Very little R&D friendly policies within the government. A lack of entrepreneurship friendly policies. The NKC sits that start up and SMEs are often the hub of innovation, while the government policy that encourage and promote startup and entrepreneurship culture is still in its infancy. Indian universities are just learning shop as opposed to the practice. In most great universities and institutions abroad, universities are at the forefront of research, often partnering with private, public and government sector organizations. IPR and patenting practice on decline. The pursuit to build indigenous IPRs and patent in various sectors in taking a backseat, while most international MNCs make use to Indian ecosystem and resource to build their portfolio of the same. Government initiatives. In International National Innovation Council India. National Innovation Council India, some of the more interesting initiatives and key elements the NINC are working are mentioned below. Federal policy and intensive scheme. Access to capital, skilled manpower, market, industry and cultures innovation center, building positive public-private partnership, state and sector level innovation culture initiatives. Distribute innovation techniques. There are 5 key that often drive disruptive innovation: questioning, observing, networking, experimenting, associational thinking. Introduction to Juhar innovation. Juhar innovation is about achieving maximum impact with minimal resources. Principal Juhar innovation. The fundamental principle behind Juhar innovation: Seek opportunity from adversity. Do more with less. Think and act flexibly. Keep it simple. Include the margin of society. Follow your heart. Thank you.